The secret life of your fruit, a microscopic expose. We've all been there. You pick up an apple so shiny you can see your reflection in it. It looks perfect, almost too perfect. But have you ever wondered why that fresh fruit has been sitting on a shelf for 3 months without a single wrinkle? Today, we are going beyond the skin. We are putting your groceries under the lens to see what Big AG isn't telling you. The wax test, natural versus petroleum. That white stuff. It's not just fruit dust. Most commercial fruits are stripped of their natural oils during washing and then recoated with synthetic waxes like shellac or petroleum-based carnauba. The micro difference. The natural cuticle. Under the microscope, a fruit's natural wax, the cuticle, looks like a breathable, slightly irregular crystalline structure. It's designed by nature to prevent dehydration while letting the fruit breathe. The synthetic barrier. Look at the supermarket version. It's a thick, suffocating plastic-like sheet. It's designed to lock moisture in so the fruit stays heavy and expensive while sitting in cold storage for up to a year. Growth hormone indicators, the botany of forced ripening. Ever bought a gorgeous red watermelon that tasted like crunchy water? Or a mango that's yellow outside but sour inside? Meet Ethephon and oxytocin. When farmers use excessive growth hormones or ripening agents to rush produce to market, the botany of the fruit literally breaks down. Cellular stretching. Instead of the cells filling with complex sugars and nutrients over time, Ethephon forces the cells to expand rapidly with water. The result. Under the microscope, the cell walls are thin and stretched, making the fruit mushy. Nutritional void. Because the fruit didn't ripen on the vine, it never developed its full profile of antioxidants. You are eating a bloated, sugary ghost of a fruit. The organic versus commercial face-off. Let's look at the cellular density of a homegrown strawberry versus a commercial one. Commercial. Notice the large gaps between cells, intercellular spaces. This is where the pesticides and synthetic fertilizers leave their mark: less fiber, more filler. Organic. Look at that density. The cells are tightly packed, bursting with pigments, anthocyanins. This is why organic fruit often feels heavier for its size and tastes richer. It literally has more stuff in it. The BioAugust solution. I'm not here to ruin your appetite, I'm here to give you the power back. If you have to buy commercial, you need the BioAugust wash. The Botany hack. How to wash your fruit. Don't just rinse with water. Petroleum-based waxes are designed to be water-resistant. The chemistry. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. This is your best friend. A 15-minute soak in a baking soda water solution has been proven to degrade certain pesticides more effectively than bleach or water alone. Vinegar rinse. Use a 1:3 vinegar to water ratio to kill mold spores and help break down that synthetic wax barrier. Shopping visual hacks. The weight test. If a fruit looks huge but feels light, it's likely pumped with growth hormones. The stem check. On mangoes or melons, look at the stem. A shriveled, natural-looking stem suggests vine ripening. A green, fresh stem on a fruit that is supposedly ripe is a major red flag for chemical ripening. Your body is a temple, not a chemistry lab. Shop smart, wash thoroughly, and keep looking closer. See you in the next deep dive.